Hey there, it's Mercedes from PrettyWebz.com. I just finished making a quick demo video for all of the strokes that we have in our shop. We have 5 different sets in different colors. So each set is going to come with 30 different styles in 2 different sizes. And these are the colors that we have available there in the shop. But I wanted to show you some of the examples that we made. So this one right here, all of these strokes are PNG, transparent PNG files. So no matter where you put them on the image, you'll be able to see the image clearly. So I've got this one right here. And you can use them in this way where you're putting one on the top, one on the bottom, framing it out. However you want to do that, or you can stack them together to create something like this, which is the way I used it in the demo. And then this one right here, so I have actually 2 strokes right here that are grouped together. I'm going to ungroup them and show you how I use them in the demo. So I'm going to put this against her arm so you can kind of see right here in this section how these particular strokes, not all of them are like this, but some of them are, they'll have a straight edge on one side. And the reason that I did that is so that you could butt them up against your images kind of like this very easily. So you don't have the issue of having all of this stray stuff happening on the edges. So it just gives you a cleaner look for your edges. And this is what I did on the demo. Something like this. Just like you saw a while ago, you can put 2 of them together and you'll have a perfect stroke as well. So just as simple as adding them together like this, and you'll have one stroke without the straight edge. Here we have, now I know these are kind of coming off on the side here. This is actually on this side, is in the preview, is what the image is going to look like when it's exported. If you're interested in finding out how to export slides as images, I have a video for that. You can check that out at PrettyWebz.com on the blog. This is just a setup right here. Everything outside of it is going to be cut off. So right here we've used this as a label. And then down here I just added another stroke just to add interest here to the bottom of the image. On this one we have another label right here. Okay, and then in this picture right here, what I did was add my own picture, and then because I'm working in PowerPoint and we do have the frames available there, if you go to format picture, and then I just added a picture frame, and I used this metal frame here because I was trying to get the metallic gradient here. And then I just came over to the eyedropper tool and chose a color from my stroke and applied it to the frame, so it looks like it belongs together. But this is just the stroke, so that's the stroke, and then we just applied it to the frame. In this one we did the exact same thing, except we use a circle frame. So if you come up to format, and there are some more frames down here, we used this one right here, which is a round circle frame, and you could change the appearance or the shape of it. And then I came here again with the eyedropper tool and chose a color so that it looks like it goes with this frame. Now this right here, this is actually not one stroke. What I did was add another stroke and then just shrunk it down so that it kind of looks like it's coming up and into the picture, just for interest. Right here I have this collage that I made. All of these are 1200 by 1200, perfect for Instagrams. And what I did was just add, these are 2 separate strokes right here. You have this stroke right here, which is the solid divider portion of this, and then I added this just to kind of go along with all of the little sprinkles that you see in these little cake pops here. And then this one is this is a divider frame, again for a collage. These are great for collages, just to give you a little bit of separation in your images. And here we have another collage right here where we used it in the background. You can look at it here, it gives you a better example of how the finished product is going to look. This is really distracting right here, but you get an idea of how these are used in the background. And then I went ahead and added these to the front just to give a little interest there. And then this one right here is another use of the strokes in the background to enhance the text a little bit. If you like any of these, I have a sample pack available on my website. So if you go over to PrettyWebz.com, the shop, there's a free section there. You can grab this sample pack for free in the shop. And if you'd like to recreate any of these, I did make a template here that have all of the picture layouts in them. And this is just more simplicity for you. So this is the one collage that we did that had the pictures kind of going off to the side. And let me add some of these in here to kind of give you an idea of how you would use them. So you add the picture and then you copy, paste it, and then you'll delete the first picture and then add another one, and then you can just keep doing this. Let's add this one and place them. We'll paste another one, and you get the idea. So it's just a matter of copying and pasting the actual image holder in there, because this makes it, just having this right here makes it so much easier to add your pictures in, move them around, and work with them easily. So if you'd like to pick up this template with all of these layouts, there's 9 layouts in here. You can also get those for free on PrettyWebz.com. And if you'd like more free resources and graphics, don't forget to sign up for my newsletter at PrettyWebz.com as well. Thanks for watching.